as you can see, this is a load measurement trainer. It has a load cell. You can see here, this is a strain gauge. Okay, so what we do here, here we put some weights like this one. We put some weight here, and this puts a strain on this device here. There is a transducer in here. Okay, and this strain gauge, its resistance is connected across one of the arm of the load cell. This is, you can see here, this is we have one source. Okay, like we have a DC source, then we have 4 resistive arms. Across one of the arm I connect the strain gauge, and rest of the arm have fixed resistance. Okay, so what happens, whenever we put some weight here, some strain is put in this strain gauge, the resistance across the strain gauge changes, and so there is a change in some potential, and we measure that potential across this. You can see here, using an instrument amplifier, we give it to this output unit. So you can either check the voltage in directly here in millivolts, or you can convert it using 2 kilograms. This switch will use this amplifier to manage the voltage, to transform the voltage into kilograms. Okay, so let's start this. I switch on this first. Let's put this. Okay, let's switch it on. Okay, so you must have seen that this is showing minus 0.98 kgs. That must be the weight of this unit. Okay, so what I do, I first put it to 0, so that whenever we measure, whatever measurement we take, it does not add any effect to that. Okay, so using this 0 adjustment, I adjust the weight to 0. Okay, let me adjust. You can see here, it is showing 0 now, perfectly alright. Now I have this 500 gram weight. Okay, I put it here. I see that it is showing 0.49. Okay, so there is some calibration error. So I can, using this adder, I can change it, because I know that it is 0.5 kg. So I adjust it. Now it is showing 0.5. So I have calibrated it using this weight. Okay, now I can use it to measure all the weights. Now I put it, take it out. You can see it is 0 still. Okay, I have taken this 100 gram weight. Now I put it here. Okay, now you can see I make a table. So I have a standard weight, these, as we have claimed it is 500 grams. I will put them here. Then output in kg, what output it is showing, the instrument is showing, I will put it here, I will write it here. And then whatever the voltage output is, millivolt, I will write here. Okay. I have put 100, standard weight is 100 grams, and I am getting an output of 0.09. This is kgs. Okay, so I can put it in kgs also. So I can say that it is 0.1 kgs. Okay, and this is 0.09 kg. It is showing this much, and you can see it is showing 9 millivolts. Okay, now I put another 100. I don't have 100, so I put a 200. So you can see it is showing you 0.200. It is showing you 0.19 kg. Okay, and it's okay. It is 0.19 and it is 19 millivolts. Okay, now I put another 100 grams, so it is 300. So it is 0.30 kg, and it is showing 0.3. Okay, and take it 0.3 in millivolts. It is showing 30. Okay, kgs will be translated. It is linear. Suppose now I take a 5 kg weight. is 0.5, it is showing 0.5 kgs, and in millivolts it is 50 millivolts. Finally, I take 1 kg. I can see here it is 1 kg, and this is also showing 10 kg, and millivolts it is showing 100 millivolts. So you can note down these readings, and you can see here that the change in resistance can be translated into the change in weight. That will be all.